Hello, it's a lovely sunny day. The property behind me is a very spacious property offering at least 5 bedrooms with annex potential, lovely garden, backing on to open farmland. It's in the very popular village of North Hill, right in the heart of the wooded Liner Valley. And as you can see behind me, you've just got beautiful views right across the lovely valley. So this property is exceptional, and let's go and have a look and see what it has to offer. For more information on Treshara, then please give Weber's a call on 01566 776211. We'd love to show you more. Thank you.